guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing something impromptu. I'm redecorating like a nook in my kitchen. I redecorate this a lot, and today I'm using all things that I already have at home. I'm in quarantine, I'm at home. I know so many of you are as well. I'm looking for ways to freshen up spaces. So I went around my house and I grabbed like a bunch of kind of flea market looking things. That's the vibe I'm going for, really eclectic. I got a lot of blue and white pottery, a lot of brass and copper, and a lot of greenery. I'm gonna put that together. I'm gonna show you the before, and I'm gonna show you the stuff I pulled out to use, and then I'm gonna get started. Here's the finished product. I really love it. When I first started, I wasn't sure where I was going with it. I just kind of tried to put items in such a way that your eye would keep moving. I tried to not have stuff in the same color family next to each other, so I moved the blue all around. I tried to move the metals all around. I tried to make sure there was greenery all around. I wanted to just kind of look collected. I don't know, let me know what you think in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this style of video, and I'll do more like this. Like you guys, I'm sure I am kind of freshening up lots of areas of my home because we're spending so much time at home. I'm trying to make everything nice and pretty and inviting. And if you haven't already, hit the red subscribe button. I do really simple like DIY house videos every single week, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.